Hello everyone. Suddenly I came live because I thought that yes, people and environment is the area from where you can get the confirm marks, because in the people and environment what are the area I am telling you, and here always question are coming. Even also we are going to do lots of questions here, topic here, what are the confirm topic. You can see I came with lots of topic wise question, confirm question, and just you have to continue the class. And after continuing the class, when you are leaving the class after completing, then definitely you will get a confirm marks and you will memorize everything, because yes, I will make you understand and I will make you memorize this all the topic, and after that definitely you can get a good score. So let's start, and let me start from the topic from where, that is the different types of convention. If you are checking the syllabus of people and environment, from where questions are always coming, these are the highlighted area from where you will get the question, and that's why I came here live. Yes, I can see here suddenly I came live, so maybe students don't have that information, but I know that everyone will join very quickly, right? Yes. Hi Khatu, Jayashree. What about others? Yes, I can see that Khatu already there, Jayashree also there. Who are others? Yes, I hope my audio, video, everything is clear. Yes, Sangeeta, Lekha, everyone is here. Chalo, let's start without wasting time. Our target is in the last moment also we will get the confirm score, and this is the topic will give you confirm score. I am telling you, this is the topic I will give. Why? What happened? Chanti? What? Why? Audio, video, everything is clear, right? Yes, the confirm score, it will give you the confirm score in the last day also. Yes. Chalo. So the confirm score is, that is Millennium Development Goal and the Sustainable Development Goal. These two are very important. Next part is, these are the Environment Protection Act. What are the act? National Action on Climate Change, Montreal Protocol, Rio Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Rio Summit, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, International Solar Alliance. These are the topic. If you are not doing till now, then you have to do it now only, and we will do it. And after that, from the pollution, lots of questions are coming, and other questions, whatever repeated questions are coming, we are going to do now. Let's start. Yes, so first of all, the Millennium Development Goal. How to memorize Millennium Development Goal and what are the main important topic of Millennium Development Goal, just see that. And you need to memorize it in the chat box. Definitely write down that in the chat box also. I will make you understand and you will memorize here only. In Millennium Development Goals started achieve 2015, and it signed at 2000. The year when it started, that is 2000, and it have to, their target was to achieve within 2015. So this is the very important, and sometimes the name is called MDG also. So what are the 8 goals of Millennium Development Goal? There are total 8 goals under Millennium Development. First of all, how to memorize? What is the first thing? What is our first priority in life? That is extreme poverty and hunger. First priority of our life is extreme poverty and hunger. Next thing is, after whenever we got the some money is there, and there is we are getting food also, after that we are thinking that okay, let's go for the primary education, basic primary education. And Millennium Development Goal is always focusing on the basic needs. These are focusing on basic need only. After next one is the Promoting gender, here you need to, when you are going to school, then the male and female, okay, male have also the power, female have also the power, they are equal, these concepts are coming. So promote gender equity and empower women. Whenever a woman is getting that education, then they are getting more powerful. That's why empower women. Next one is reduce child mortality. Now when you are going for marriage and all, then women need these two important things, that is the child mortality. After the birth, child have to be take care, and for that to improve the maternal health also. These two are very much related, so maternal health also be taken care. After that, next thing are very complicated disease like HIV, AIDS, malaria. These are the very complicated disease at that time in the year 2000. So that's why they focus on some specific complicated disease like malaria, HIV and all. Next one, ensure environmental sustainability. Here the human, all the sustainability, everything they focus. Now if human being have to be good and healthy, then we have to take care of environment also. That's why they thought that okay, take care of environment also. So environmental sustainability. Next one is the global partnership. These are the 8 goals in Millennium Development Goal. So just remember that what I told, write down in the chat box so that it will be memorized. Extreme poverty and hunger, then basic primary education, equity, gender equity, empower women, reduce child mortality, maternal health, combat HIV or AIDS, ensure environmental sustainability, and then finally development global partnership. This is Millennium Development Goal 2000 to 2015, right? Next thing is what? Sustainable Development Goal. After Millennium Development Goal, it came Sustainable Development Goal in 2015. Now they focus, okay, now we have to think about more broader area. That is 2015 to target is till 2030. Achieve target is till 2030. And here how many heads are there? 160, 17 benchmark and with sign on this time. Okay. What are the 16 goal here? Now you can see there was the 8 goal. These 8 goal are divided into 17 goal. How they divided? No poverty. There was extreme poverty and they are upgrading it to no poverty. Means we will take care of any type of poverty, no poverty. Then zero hunger. No poverty, zero hunger, split into 2 parts. There was only one goal, it split into 2 parts. That is no poverty, zero hunger. Then good health and wealth. So they combine the all health, wealth together, good health and wealth for everyone. Not only for women, not only for maternity, not only for AIDS or HIV, complete good health and well-being. Equity and equity in education. There was only primary education. Here is total education, that is equality education. Gender equity is here also. They split this. There was equality in education and gender equity. They split it into 2 parts, 4 and 5. Number of goal are also very important because they are asking question with the number. Next one is they thought that about environment, but here they divide the environment into sub part. First part is clean water and sanitization, that is required for human health. Affordable and clean energy, this is the totally new one they have added, affordable and clean energy. Decent work and economic growth, that is also not there, they have added new. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. And reduce the inequalities, here to reduce inequalities, not only gender equality, overall inequality. Then sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption of the production, climate action, it is taking on climate, different climate action plan, life below water, life on land, life below water and life on land. Peace, justice, strong institution, partnership, and finally these are end. These are the 17 goals of sustainable development, and numbers are very, very, very important. Okay. Yes. Yes, for the set also, definitely. NET, set, everyone can prepare for this, because ultimately for NET, set, your same concept is same, and syllabus is also same, exam will also come the same thing. Okay. So these are the 17 goals. Next thing is coming under Monterey Protocol. So Monterey Protocol is focusing on what? Write down in the chat box, all of you, 17 goal, whatever I told, try to recall and write it down, so that your memorization will be done here only. Write down in the chat box, your memorization have to be done here only, the chat box. Okay, write it down. Yes. Now the Monterey Protocol, that ozone layer, depletion of ozone layer, it is focusing on ozone layer. How to remember? MO, this O for ozone, remember like that, this O for ozone, it is focusing on ozone layer depletion, Monterey Protocol. And for that there is a treaty, they have signed for the agreement, there are some agreement. Now from here, Monterey Protocol, what are the substances? What are focusing on the substances? The substances are CFC. This is very, very important. They are asking what are the substances affecting the ozone layer. They focus on the control of CFC, halon, other fully halogenated like CFC, HCFC, CFC and HCFC. CFC is also there, HCFC is also there. Halon and chlorinated hydrocarbon and all. HCFC, methyl bromide and HFC. So these are the main focus what are actually affecting our ozone layer. Next thing is the under Rio Summit, there are Rio Summit. So Rio Summit is the Earth Summit. Here actually together so many conventions are there under Rio Summit. Okay. So they took the lead for gasoline, climate change, public transportation, and here only in the climate change convention, Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement came. So what is that? Here if you are coming to the Kyoto Protocol, main concept is coming, question is coming from Kyoto Protocol. What the focus of Kyoto Protocol? See that. Kyoto Protocol commits here that the temperature, here the focus in that commits state reduce the greenhouse gases emission. The focus of Kyoto Protocol is greenhouse gas emission. Here they are trying to cut down the greenhouse gas emission because of global warming. There is global warming is going on, and based on the scientific cases, what are the global warming? This is a big factor. And what are the gases? What is mainly 6 gases? What are the 6 gases? The gases are, this is also very, very important. What are the gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Here also HCFC is there. In ozone also HCFC was there, but here also. But don't do that methane, carbon dioxide. Methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, hydrochlorocarbon, parafluorocarbon, that is PFC, and sulfur hexafluoride, that is SF6. These are the main gases. These are the main greenhouse gases listed to reduce the emission. We should reduce the emission. And then came to the Paris Agreement. What is Paris Agreement? Paris Agreement focus on that agreement, that okay, what to do here for the Paris Agreement? The global temperature, it is focusing on the temperature of the earth. temperature of the earth should not increase, it should be below 2 degrees centigrade. For the long term temperature goal, keep the increase of the global average temperature to well below 2 degrees centigrade. Average should not increase more than 2 degrees centigrade, it should be below 2 degrees centigrade. And limit increase to 1.5 degrees centigrade, reduce the risk of the climate change. Because of global warming, the global temperature is increasing, then there will be the climate change, and that's why it is focusing on below 2 degrees centigrade. Global temperature should not increase. To achieve this balance between the anthropogenic activity, whatever actually increasing, by resource removal, sink of greenhouse gases, it is also focusing on greenhouse gases. This is the main part of the Paris Agreement. Okay. Now I am going to the question. After that I am coming to the Solar Alliance, because the questions are very important. After that I am coming to Solar Alliance. So do the question so that your revision will be also done with me. Do the question. Here you can see Millennium Development Goal, Goal 1, Goal 2, Goal 3 and Goal 4. What will be? Just match it. All of you, I want to see. Just match it. Yes, Divya, good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Afternoon तो नहीं है. Good evening. What will be the answer? Answer. Yes. So this is the answer. Answer is this one. This is the answer. Yes, all of you are correct. Goal 1 is the eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Easy one, very easy one. With this one only you can do the answer. Yes, the next one, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement. This year also repetitively they are asking question from here. Do this one. What will be the answer? Do this one. NEP 2020. Achha, do it. People and environment. After that, let me think about higher education. Do this one. Yes, answers are coming. Yes, answer will be 3 only. Just now I told Montreal Protocol. This O you can remember with ozone. That is A will be with 4. Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is focusing on greenhouse gases. That's why greenhouse gas. And you can do that very easily, right? So Sustainable Development Goal. Other than that, Rio Summit is there and Paris Agreement is there. So Paris Agreement is climate change and mitigation, and Rio Summit overall it is focusing on environment and sustainable development. In that way you can do it. So now after that there you can see the National Action Plan on Climate Change. So let's do that another topic. After that I am coming to more questions so that this topic will be covered. After that I am coming to the question. Okay. So here, yes, Rio Summit we did, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, yes. Now do this International Solar Alliance, because this is the alliance done by the India. It is the initiative by India. So International Solar Alliance, actually 121 countries there, but it is initiated by India. Who are active here? This region is very important. Who are the sunshine country and completely partially between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn means this is the area. You can see this area are actually the sunshine country. that is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. From this area, what are the countries? These are the countries are sunshine country, and that's why they are focusing on this solar alliance. Okay, so what is the main focus? The primary objective of solar alliance was to reduce the fossil fuel, because from the solar energy it will reduce the fossil fuel, and that's why here what are the main goals? I am coming to the main goals. That is the National Action Plan on Climate Change. National Action Plan on Climate Change, what it is? That is NAPCC. Government of India took that initiative with 8 sub-missions are there. What are the 8 sub-missions under this National Action Climate Change? You can see National Solar Mission, then National Mission Enhance the Energy Efficiency, National Mission for the Sustainable Habitat, National Water Mission, National Mission for Himalayan Ecosystem, Green India Mission, National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, and National Mission for Strategic Knowledge and Climate Change. These 8 goals are very important. These 8 goals are very important. Okay. Acha, today I will upload. learn it. After that I will upload the PDF. I will send the PDF in Telegram only. Okay, I will send the Telegram. I will send the PDF in Telegram only. Okay. Okay, learn this. I will send it. Achha, now only I am sending. I forgot always. So just let me export the PDF. Export PDF here. People and environment. I am sending here. Just wait. Join this Telegram channels. Okay, join this Telegram channel so that you can get it. I will forgot, so that's why now only I am uploading. Wait, PDF is going on. I will upload the PDF. After that only I will continue. Yes, I got the PDF. Where it is? Chalo, just now this is done. Go to here. Now chalo, happy ho jao. Everyone be happy. I share here also, and I am sharing here also in paper 1. Everyone join this. Computer science also I share this, and in paper 1 also I share this. Okay, chalo. Yes, ठीक है everyone. Now please go for it. So PDF though they are definitely, but watch the class, because watching class is also important. Okay. Yes. Yes, so it is also required. So I am sharing you the link. All of you join here so that you can get the PDF for computer science. This is the link. PDF नहीं होगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा मैम. PDF तो देना है. And this is the link for paper 1. Join this link so that chalo, here I send that link also. You can join. Those who are computer science student, they are already there in computer science, and those who are paper 1, you can see here in paper 1. Okay, chalo. Yes, now so these are the 8 goals. These are the 8 goals under the solar mission. You can just write it down, all of you. Solar mission here, national solar mission I have written. Write it down, the solar mission. All of you write down here the solar mission. Okay, so now here next thing is that this is also a very important chart, which is this chart, that is the energy capacity. Today only I took this image, that is updated one, as per 31st January. This is the updated one. Very carefully remember that what are the main energy sources. From coal, the energy source is this much. From coal, actually maximum is coming, that is this much megawatt. After that, the lignite, then gas, then diesel, then hydro. From the hydro power, then the solar, wind, and this is the solar, again the waste energy, the solar, wind, and together this is the total one. Solar, wind, and other renewable sources, that is the total one. Then wind, then solar, and finally the small hydro, this is the small hydro. From here question are coming, repetitively question are coming from here. Near about value try to remember, and it is in megawatt, it is in megawatt, remember that. Sometimes this is asking that which one is less, which one is more, in that way they are asking. Okay, so now this question though we did, this is also we did. Now do this question, do this one. Now do this one. Which of the following, those who are thinking that I got the PDF, no need to watch the class, I will tell you, you will do the blunder mistake. Because to go through the PDF, how much time will be required? Rather than that, if you are watching the class, it will be more quick and you can memorize it. Because your eyes, ears, and hand, everything will be together, and my explanation will be there. So don't go for only PDF. Yes. So what will be the answer? Answer is coming here. The answer is not 2, answer is 1. Just now I told that National Action on Climate Change. Solar mission was there, Green India mission was there, Western Ghat was not there. Where was Western Ghat? Western Ghat was not there. So C to definitely eliminated. Water mission, that was there. Air pollution was not there. That's why you need to remember the 8 mission. Just now I told you the 8 mission, and write the 8 mission. Don't listen only, try to write down in the chat box. That's why I told you, remember that. Solar, energy efficiency, sustainable habitat, water mission, Himalayan ecosystem, Green India, and sustainable agriculture, and strategic knowledge and climate change. These are there. Write down it so that you can memorize. The memorization you have to memorize, otherwise tomorrow how you will do? How you will do otherwise tomorrow? These are the previous year's question. These are, you can see, 2021 question, very recent question these are. Okay, now see that the target of the year achieving sustainable development goal. What is that? Achieving sustainable development goal. Everyone, just now we discussed, very easy one, easy one. Sustainable development goal, and I can see only 10 likes. The likes are really, please, these are very important. Please click on like or dislike, whatever you want, but at least click any one of them, whatever you wish. Yes, answer is 3 only. 2030, 2030 is the answer. Now as per the sustainable goal 3, one of the target to reduce under 5 mortality per 1000 live birth, at least as low as, you need to remember it. Here that was not there, but sometimes question are coming like this way also. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer for this? And this is, you need to memorize, that is 25. This is 25. Okay, target to reduce under 5 mortality, that will be the 25,000 live birth, 25. Answer is 25. Remember that. Now see, which of the greenhouse gases, it is not the bases or gases, where target gases whose emission was covered under the first commitment period of Kyoto Protocol. Under Kyoto Protocol, what are the greenhouse gases covered? What will be the answer? Yes, answer is 4 because SO2 is not there, CO2 was there in fast target. It is asking you the fast. Now N2O was not there, N2O was there, N2O was there, that is the nitrous oxide was there, and methane was there. These are the very 3 important greenhouse gases. So answer is this one. Answer is this one, not this one, not this one. NH3 was not there. You need to remember the gases. That's why I am telling you. You need to remember the gases. Greenhouse gases was there, right? So you need to remember. Now the next question, do this. Under which of the agreement below 2 degrees centigrade global average temperature to be below 2 degrees centigrade? Which one? Which one? Below 2 degrees centigrade. Paris Agreement, Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, Rio Summit. Yes, the Paris Agreement is the correct answer. Good, very good. Now, the global environment issue of ozone depletion due to emission of what? Again, ozone depletion due to emission of what? Sulfur dioxide, chlorinated hydrocarbon, methane, carbon dioxide. What are the main gases? Ozone depletion, what are the main gases? What are the main gases for ozone depletion? Tell me. Answer. Answer is 2 because chlorinated hydrocarbon was only there, that is CFC, chlorinated hydrocarbon. Another one is not there, only this one is the answer, only this one. Here you are doing carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, not ozone depletion, that is greenhouse gas. Those who are telling 3 carbon dioxide is the greenhouse gas, it is not related to the ozone depletion. That's why I told, remember what are ozone depletion, what are greenhouse. Remember the difference, that's why I told you. Yes, now do this one. To conserve the sustainability use of ocean, seas and marine resources, dash is the aim of the sustainable development goal. Which goal number? The question came from goal number. Which goal number is focusing on ocean, sea, marine resources? Which goal number? Recall it. What was there? What was there in that? Which goal? Which goal? Answer is coming. That is the goal number 14. Life below water. Life below water was there. That is goal number 14. Life below water. Answer is this one. You need to remember the number also. Now see that protection of ultraviolet radiation as for the Montreal Protocol also contribute in the SDG. What are the goal number? What are the goal number as per this focusing on the SDG? What are the goal number? That is actually you need to find out. Montreal Protocol for ozone layer depletion, and what are the goal number is focusing on ozone layer depletion. Yes, that is 3, 11, 14 and 15. What was there in 3, 11, 14 and 15? Recall it little bit. What was there 3, 11, 14 and 15? Why they are telling it is 3, 11, 14 and 15? You can see in 3 there was good health and well-being, because ozone layer is affecting your health. Sustainable রেডি মাথায় হেয়ার ব্যান্ড দে রেড হেয়ার ব্যান্ডটা তো মুখটা আর চুলটা ভালো করে জাস্ট আই এম কামিং ইন 1 মিনিট 1 মিনিট তোমাকে তাড়াহুড়ো করতে হবে না আমি রুটি করে রাখবো তুমি খেয়ে নিও Okay, I came back so you can get the yes 3 11 14 and why this was the answer. You got your answer, I hope so. So now go to the next question. Now move to the next question. In this way you need to memorize, that is the important part of memorization. So yes, this question we did. After that this one also done, this one also done, this is also done, this is also done. Now do this one. To develop the in Millennium Development Goal, to develop the global partnership. These are all important questions. Millennium Development Goal to develop global partnership for development has the following target. What are the targets are there? In Goal 8, focusing on Goal 8 only. Focusing on Goal 8 only. अरे यार 45s are watching, 22 like only. Please click on like, and so that's why when you are clicking on like I am feeling happy really. So please click, those who are watching after, whenever you are coming to my class, please click on the like button. Yes, try to write. Remember it. Yes, what will be the answer? Answer is coming here. Answer will be 2. Goal number 8 was what was there? Goal number 8, in goal number 8 what was there? अरे PDF होगा, PDF के बारे में सोचो, don't worry, just learn here. What was there in goal number 8? Goal number 8 in Millennium Development Goal, what was there? That is the global partnership, right? Goal number 8 is focusing on global partnership. That's why to address the special need of least development countries, they are focusing on the deal of these development nations and the providing this collaboration. That was the global partnership, and that's why answer will be this one. Yes. The ozone layer depletion is on account of what? Is on account of what? Try to make your handwritten note. Forgot about PDF. Remember, try to understand whatever question now you are doing. If you are making a short note also, and if you are revising it tomorrow before going to exam, then also you will be able to remember. PDF, when you are writing by your hand, that will be more you can remember. Trust me. Try to invest your time in the class only. Open your notebook, write down it. You will be able to remember in a short point, just short note type, write it. It will be helpful to you. Forgot about PDF. Please listen to me. It will be helpful to you. Yes. So ozone layer depletion is again chlorinated hydrocarbon, and the nitrogen fertilizer is also a part. Sulfur dioxide is not there. Carbon monoxide is not there. Answer will be A and D. Yes. Now do this one. National Water Mission under the Climate Action Plan, Government of India seeks the improve water use efficiency by. Improve water use efficiency by what? Yes. Yes, good. Yes. So your answer will be this one, 20%. 20% is the correct answer. Remember that. Just how to note it down. Action Plan India seeks water improve efficiency by 20%. Write down like this. By 20%. Write down this way. Now you can see the under the sustainable development goal number 12, sustainable consumption and production. One of the target, reduce per capita food waste at retail and the consumer level by what? Write down this and write down here that by what. In this way, that this is the question and this is the answer. This is the question, this is the answer. Like this way, if you are preparing for long term, it will be very good. Just write down that consumer level by this. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer is 2 here. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Reduce by 1 by 2, that is half. Now, how many missions are under the climate action plan? This is very easy question. Everyone can do it. Very easy question. How many missions are there under climate action plan? Yes, there are 8 missions. There are 8 missions. All of you know that. Yes. चलो, पेपर 1 क्लास तो हो रहा है. पेपर 1 ही तो है. पेपर 1 का क्लास ही तो चल रहा है. कर लो. Yes. So Paris Agreement entered into the force when instrument this one deposit for this and encountered for at least what? At least what? $55 countries encountered by doing at least what? Global carbon dioxide emission. Global carbon dioxide emission. 55% of global carbon dioxide emission. Target is 55% of global carbon dioxide emission. Okay? Yes? Chalo. Now the next one. So next one already we did that, national action on solar climate change. So 8 is the correct answer. This is already done. Now here the partnership, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? In the International Solar Alliance, these entities are corporate partners from India. Corporate partners from India. What are that partner? What are those? What are those? Yes, partner are the thermal power corporation is also the partner. Power grid also the partner. State Bank of India is not the partner. Rural Electronics Corporation is the partner, and the renewable energy, because all are ultimately focusing on energy. So State Bank of India, what they will do? All the energy sources, those who are preparing energy, they are here. Okay, that's why answer will be this one. Now India's maximum energy come from where? I show you the list. The energy list from where the questions are coming, I told that, and it is the question maximum energy come from which power, which plant, maximum energy coming from which plant. Those who are joining new, after joining, there is a rule of the class. Whenever you are joining the class, please click on the like button and then start typing. So it is a rule of the class. Please click on the like button. I am feeling happy. Whenever you are clicking like, that is the food for me. I am getting some energy. So yes, here the thermal power is the answer, because in India power generated from thermal, nuclear and hydro, and renewable sources are wind power, solar power and biomass. These are the renewable. And however, the major production of electricity achieved through the coal, a thermal power. Coal is actually the thermal power. So you saw that in the chart, the coal was there, the high, this is the highest one. Coal is the solar, no, maximum is coming from coal, and coal is the thermal power. So 75% of the total is coming from coal, that is thermal power. So that's why answer will be thermal. Nuclear is the less, it is asking you maximum. Minimum is the nuclear one, right? So next question is there from, do this one. Which of the power plant use least per unit of this energy? Least. Which one is the least production? Okay, do it. Which one is the least? Wind, coal, solar, geothermal. Yes, geothermal is the correct answer, because from geothermal India is not able to do that much power. So that's why answer will be geothermal only. Yes, all of you are correct here. Yes, good, very good. Now the next one, do this one. Do this one. See that it is the air quality index. The colors are there, different color code are there as per the air quality index. So what are the index, what can be the color? You can guess also. By doing guessing also you can do the question. After that I am showing you what will be the answer and how to do. Yellow, red, green, orange. Yellow, red, green, orange. What are the color code? What do you think? Try to apply your common sense. You can apply your common sense also. Eliminate something. Yes, using the common sense also you can do it. But the green is the good one, because it is good for health. That's why 0 to 50. Next one is yellow, that is moderate, 51 to 100. Orange is unhealthy or sensitive group, that is 101 to 150. Red is totally unhealthy, that is 151 to 200. Purple is very unhealthy, that is 201 to 300. And maroon is hazardous, that is the 301 to 500. So this is the sequence. You can remember the sequence, and definitely answer will be this one, because you can see red is the maximum one here and maximum is D only. So with that one also you can do it. D will be with 2. Just apply your common sense in exam hall also. Sometimes I don't know, but still I am able to do the correct answer, because we have some common sense. Red is always dangerous, so out of them this is only the dangerous one, so I can do it, right? ठीक है, चलो सबको पीडीएफ चाहिए. अरे क्लास बंद करके पीडीएफ दे देती हूँ, ले लो, हो जाएगा ना. सबको पीडीएफ चाहिए. अरे पीडीएफ करके याद नहीं रहेगा, क्लास कर लो उसके बाद पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा. सबको पीडीएफ चाहिए. हर साल भर तुम पीडीएफ ही लेते चलोगे. चलो डू दिस वन. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ नॉइज पॉल्यूशन. डू दिस वन. Do this one. Identify the correct sequence. Two zero one is in the 30. What it is? Purple. This is actually, see that they have given as per it is air quality index. I took it health concern according to the health concern. So 0 to 50 is good. 101. Maybe it is not updated one. Sorry. Maybe wherever I took it, maybe it is not updated one. So it is maybe updated. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. Yes. So yes. Do this one. L10, L19 and LEQ. What is that? L10, L90 and LEQ. What is that? Answer the option. Yes, I can understand Khatu, but maybe from where I have taken, that is the old one. So I need to update it. Okay, maybe that is the old one. So the answer is here. You can see L10 is what? L10 means the level of the sound exceeding 10% of the total time measurement for the peak noise level. L50 means 50% for the increase 50%. L90 means 90% of the total time it's increase. LEQ denotes that time weighted average for the level of the sound decibel on the scale, and it's relatively for human hearing, that is good, equal to human hearing, and that is good one. And that's why your sequence, it is asking you the correct sequence. Noise pollution indicates from decreasing order, it is decreasing order, that's why answer will be first one is the Q1, so LQ, then next one is the 10, then next one is this one, so it is the decreasing order, answer will be this one. Now which of the following type of power plant provide the electricity consistently for 24 hours per day, 7 days a week? Which one? Apply your common sense. Apply your common sense here. Apply your common sense here. What will be the common sense? Acha, here decreasing order means 10% increase means EQ, that is C. Decreasing order तो highest one तो B and C is the 10%, A C 10%, हाँ A C A B हाँ C, that is I am checking. The 90% is the B is the highest one, then C will be the equal, no, C is the equal, that is this one, then CAB should be the correct one, right? CAB should be the correct one, but it is not there. Pollution indices decreasing order, indicating decreasing order. Decreasing order. Magnitude in an urban area. It is an urban area. Decreasing. Yes, decreasing order, it is in urban area, then decreasing order. So then maybe in this question there is some problem. Decreasing order, so definitely we have to go for C, after that A, then B, BAC. Yes, decreasing order is BAC. I think this will be the correct answer. B, then A, then C. it should be the correct answer, decreasing order, because here you can see 10 is the 10% of the total time. EQ denotes the time weighted average for the decibel on the scale and relatable to the human hearing. So exceeding 10% time, this is exceeding 90% of the time. So definitely decreasing order should be the answer. So it is the this one. Yes, that will be the answer. Decreasing order means it should be BAC. BAC should be the correct one. B, then A, then C. It should be the correct one. Okay. So please, yes, 90% average of 10%. Yes. 90% time, that is more actually, right? More than always. That 90 level means sound exceeding for 90% of total time. 90% of total time, that is more. So decreasing order, so that's why answer will be this one. This one should be the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Now do this one. So this one will be the geothermal, because solar, so solar will be when daytime you can get the solar energy, night time you cannot. Wind, when wind is flowing very high, then it will be there. Hydro also, when water, so water flow is more, then it will be. But geothermal is always constant, and that's why geothermal can give you 24 hours 7 day a week. So answer will be geothermal. Okay. Now come to some pollutant related question. What is affecting our health? These are the question. Do this one. Pollutant related question are coming. So the convention related and all other question that are energy related question we did. Now do some question whatever our health related question, and which is affecting our health, which type of pollution is affecting our health. These are the question. Do this one. Do it. What will be the answer? Toxic chemical often injure organ as well as organ system. Hepatoxin are chemical that are damaged kidney. So answer is C, because this one is true but this one is false. Hepatoxin, you know the name hepatitis. Hepatitis B, that is the liver disease. It is one type of jaundice. So that is related to hepatoxin. You can remember like that way. Hepatitis is the liver disease. So hepatoxin is related to liver. It's not related to kidney. Hepatoxin is related to liver, and that's why answer will be this one is incorrect. Okay. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Next one. So here you can see, here I have given some organ. Respiratory problem is coming from smoke, cigarette, radon, like this. And skin related problem are coming from chlorium or like rubber, cement, arsenic, nickel. There are lots of components. Out of them, some of them you can remember. Liver is coming from carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloride. These are coming from liver. Kidney, cadmium, lead, mercury. These are affecting kidney because these are very hard particle what kidney cannot filter. Cardiovascular means what are related to our heart. Respiratory diseases. So heart mainly related to heart, that is cardiovascular. Lead, carbon, arsenic also there, cadmium also there, ozone also there, carbon monoxide, noise, tobacco smoke, physical stress, and methyl chloride. These are the reason for cardiovascular disease. And reproductive system means mainly the male female both. Lead, carbon, methyl mercury, ethanol, and these are other material for the reproductive system. Hematological means that is blood related. Hematology means blood related problem that is coming from arsenic, benzene, nitrate and radiation. And nitrophysiological that are coming from mercury and all. So you can see that, just try to remember some of the points so that questions are coming, you can do it. You can see a question, which of the water can cause the adverse effect on the mental disturbance, speech, hearing and vision. Which one? Yes, uterus damage. Yes, here this is the reproductive, it is coming under reproductive. Uterus damage will come under reproductive, right? It is reproductive system, so it will come under reproductive. Yes, so do this one. Which one will be the answer? Now you can do it. Answer. What should be the answer? Yes, answer will be methyl mercury. Methyl mercury is the answer, because mental disturbance and it's impacting speech, hearing, this vision. This is methyl mercury. Remember that. Next one is wheezing. Wheezing is the most relevant health effect caused by the air pollutant. What? I am trying to provide you useful effort. Before coming to the class, I am doing it so that all types of questions should be combined together. That's why I am trying to put like that way. So I hope it will be helpful, definitely. Thank you. Thank you, Rathila. No. Yes. So what will be the answer? Answer will be sulfur dioxide. Wheezing is the some sound are coming when you are suffering from respiratory diseases. In respiratory diseases, the sound are coming. That is called the wheezing, right? So that is the sulfur dioxide. It is the reason of sulfur dioxide. Remember that. It is sulfur dioxide reason. Blue baby syndrome for what? So all of you are telling wheezing for carbon monoxide. Why? Let me check. Wheezing for which air pollutant? Air pollutant is sulfur dioxide, I think. If you are getting any other answer, yes, SHS, nitrous oxide, second hand sulfur dioxide. Asthma is coming from sulfur dioxide. It is related to asthma. Okay, so sulfur dioxide is the answer. If you are getting any other answer, you can tell me. If you are getting anything wrong here, you can tell me. Sulfur dioxide is the answer. Okay. Yes. See that everything, all the chart, no need to remember. Whatever question I am asking, remember that. Because these are the question will come in exam. Okay. Because why I am focusing on this direct PYQs question they are asking. According to the analysis, direct PYQs question they are asking in exam. That's why I took all the selective PYQs questions so that you can get it. Blue baby syndrome for what? Blue baby syndrome. Blue baby syndrome for what? It is blue. Blue means Neela. Blue is Neela. Neel is coming from nitrate. Blue color is coming from nitrate in water. So blue baby syndrome is nitrate. Okay. Yes. So remember, just make a chart. Remember that. See that. But how many questions we did till now? That is, see. First one, how to remember in that way. First question was what? The first question you saw that hepatoxin. Write down the chart. All of you now only write down the chart. Hepatoxin, liver. Write down that pollutant and disease. So hepatoxin, liver. Next one you will go for the next one, that is methyl, mental disturbance, speech, methyl mercury. Next one will be the wheezing. Wheezing also it is related to asthma. It can be come as asthma also. Asthma. Asthma is also related to sulfur dioxide. Next one, blue baby syndrome, that is nitrate in water. In that way, in one chart, just a one, prepare a one chart, write down there, do some 2 to 3 times revision, you will remember. Okay, just specific some question, whatever they are asking, that is I asked. Now you can say which are the pollutant adverse impact on the human health. Now it is total one. Now it is total one, right? Yes. Now do this one. Arey yaar, the marathon, whatever marathon I am taking, there are so many PDFs I am opening together, and from there I am selectively asking some question, and really it's not possible to merge again together and to send you. That's why it's not possible for me, and I am very sorry for that. Today's PDF I prepare separately, that's why I upload. Whatever PDF I am not preparing separately, I am opening 10, 12 PDF one by one. I am opening and I am showing in the class. That's why I cannot make it, merge it, and after that send a PDF. I cannot do. I am very sorry for that. Please focus on the class. Okay. Please don't ask me why. You are getting free of cost everything. What is possible for me, I am giving you. What is not possible for me, please don't ask me, please. Yes. So answer will be B and C. You can see adverse effects are coming from the particulates matter, that is PM2.5, and the ozone. These are very, very adverse effect. Very much adverse effect are there. Particulate and ozone. Okay. So answer will be this one. Now the abbreviation for NMSHE. What is that? NMSHE. What is this? What is this NMSHE? Yes, NMSH is the National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Ecosystem. It is under the National Action on Climate Change. Okay. So this is the mission for Himalayan ecosystem, and you can go through this Himalayan ecosystem. What are the main focus of Himalayan ecosystem? And answer will be this one, Himalayan ecosystem. Just quickly go through this Himalayan ecosystem. The Himalayan region, sick facilities and all, they are focusing on the ecosystem. What are the some animals and also an ecosystem should be maintained. That is the main focus on climate change and goal. So it will be the answer. Which of the following natural hazard characteristics by the progressive occurrence of multi-causality? Progressive occurrence of multi-causality. What will be the answer? Natural hazard. The question are coming from natural hazard also. Yes, so answer is, so if from under natural hazard, I am telling you something. These are very important for the natural hazard, different types of disasters. Just let me go for it. Yes. So these are some very important because questions are coming from here. These are the direct questions. So many questions came from this area. Disaster. What is called disaster? A disaster is an announcement that is disturbing normal condition and existing the causing level of suffering from exceeding capacity. That is called disaster. Emergency means what is that is which normal precedence and suspended extraordinary measure taken an adverse disaster, that is the emergency. Hazard means a natural or human made event threatened adversely affected human life, that is called the hazard. And vulnerability, what is vulnerability? Vulnerability means it is the suffered damage or external event. It is suffering damage due to external event, that is vulnerability. And susceptibility is exposure to danger. And resilience means the adaptability or capacity to recover. These are the terminologies are very important. Nowadays matching type question are also coming. So remember the terminology so that matching type question you can do or the question you can understand. So you can see that this is a disaster. So whenever there is disaster, then response, then after that rehabilitation, then reconstruction, then prevention, then again preparedness. So this is the cycle of the disaster. And here this chart is very important chart. Question are coming from here, I am telling you. Must remember this chart. This is very important. These are the hazards and the disaster classification. By natural cause. What are the by natural cause? You can see the sudden occurrence or monocasual. This is sudden occurrence or monocasual. What are those? That are the storm, heat wave, freeze, earthquake and volcanic eruption. Okay. Next one is the progressive occurrence. Just now question came from progressive occurrence. Landslide, drought, flood, epidemic and pest. And next one is the human made. What are coming under human made? These are coming under human made. Human made, that is the sudden occurrence or monocasual. You can see that progressive occurrence or multi-casual, and this is the multi-causal, and this is sudden occurrence or monocausal. What are that? Fire, explosion, collision or a shipwreck or structural collapse, environmental pollution, wear, economic crisis. So progressive, what are coming under progressive? Environmental, wear and economic crisis. So these are easy. These are not at all difficult, but you need to remember what are coming under human, what are sudden, monocausal, what are multi-causal, and what are coming under progressive and sudden. Okay, clear? Just remember that these are very important charts. Lots of question came from here. Remember it and write down the chart, take the screenshot, whatever, but it will be required for you. Okay, so from here only question came. You can see that vulnerability, then the disaster will be there, hazard. So these are some next point. You cannot, if you are not able to remember, no problem. The aim of the disaster, that is reduce, avoid and paid rapid. And capacity, these are the some capacity, but that much detail no need to do. These are the disaster management, disaster mitigation and the disaster response, risk assessment, prevention, relief, rehabilitation, reconstruction, these are coming under, this is pre-disaster and this is post-disaster. This is coming under pre-disaster, this is coming under post-disaster. This is a very important chart, that chart and this one. Okay, hazard assessment, vulnerability under coming under risk assessment. Structural measurement, non-structure, this is coming under prevention. Preparedness, this is coming under this. So here you can see the question that which of the following ozone depletion suspend. Okay, so it is mix up anyhow. So do this one question. Anyhow, that is mixed up. Okay, do it. Which of the ozone depletion substances? Which one is? Answer quickly. You have to go to sleep also. Today I will not extend too much class because you have to complete your sleep. Yes, so answer will be methyl chloride. Methyl chloride is under the ozone depletion substances, right? Methyl chloride. Sulfur dioxide, not methyl chloride. Sulfur dioxide, not. Sulfur dioxide, ozone depletion. How sulfur dioxide? Ozone depletion, which one? Which one was there in ozone depletion? CFC was there, methyl CFC was there, sulfur dioxide was there, carbon dioxide so definitely was not there. Sulfur dioxide was there. Methyl chloride was there. Yes. Now I missed some topic here because I came directly in this area. Just go, let me go back. These are the question we did. This is also done. Ecosystem. Do this one. After that I will go for one by one. Now do this question. These are some random question. These are some random question. Okay. Yes. Bromide, chloride. These are bromide, chloride. Okay. So which of the following Indian Constitution talk about the duty to protection the environment act? Sometimes they are asking act question also. Duty to protection act. So what is that? Which one is that? That is article 51AG. Says that it shall be the duty that citizen India among improve the natural environment including the forest, lake, river, wildlife and comprises the living creature. So just remember it. It is 51AG. 51AG. That will be the answer. 51AG. Now do this. Which of the following main goal of the conventional biological diversity? For the biological diversity convention, what are the main goal? Biological diversity. Yes, so answer is this one. See that answer is biological diversity, focusing on conservation of biological diversity. That is so definitely there. And sustainable use of biological components. And the next one is fair and equitable sharing of benefit from the genetic resources. This is the next one. So promotion of stiffing of agriculture, by elimination also you can do it. Agriculture is not coming under the convention of biological diversity. You can eliminate the option C, and after eliminating option C you can do the answer very easily. And the protection of water, water also not coming under biological diversity. Just eliminate, and after eliminating you can do it. Remember that these are coming under biological diversity. Now the smog. The smog is the next important point. Photochemical smog and summer smog. Two types of smog are there. So question came from smog. But this is also the repeated area from where question are coming. So do this smog. Summer smog is preliminary associated with photochemical formation of ozone and other pollutant. The Great Smog of London disaster is the classical example of summer smog. Which one is correct here? Yes, so see that the London is the cold city. So summer smog was not there. That is the winter smog. It is the winter smog. London smog was the winter smog, and that's why this is false. And this one is the true. Summer smog is coming from the photochemical. So here you can do some revision on summer smog. So smog means it is smoke and fog. Smoke and fog together is coming to smog. And nowadays in our Delhi is suffering from lots of problem of smog. Right, in winter Delhi there are too much pollution because of the smog. Right, and it is creating the smog, and that's why here it is air pollution, and Delhi is very much affected for that. So the word smog is coming from here. So it is the pollutant. What are the pollutants? Smog and fog, I told that. So here the London, you can see the London smog. In the London, what are the chemicals were there? The kind pollutant like nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, ozone, smoke and other particulates. Man-made smog derived from the coal combustion emission, vehicle emission, industrial emission, forest and agriculture fire, photochemical reaction. From this emission actually the smog is created, and these are the main particles of the smog. These are the main particles. And here the smog categories are two, that is the summer smog or winter smog. So summer smog is coming like this way, that is the ozone, where atmosphere sulfur dioxide is the main component here. Another one is the photochemical smog. Photochemical smog is what type of smog? Photochemical smog is the Los Angeles, that is happen on there. So here this type of air pollution derived from the vehicle emission and internal combustion of engine. This pollutant reared the atmosphere with the photochemical smog, and this same smog is going on in Delhi. Certain cities such as Delhi, smog often stubble burning. This is stubble burning is coming from Haryana and near about some villages. So from that only stubble burning is a reason. This is a very important topic, remember that. Neighbor agriculture area since 2022. And here same thing, atmosphere pollution of the Los Angeles, Beijing, Delhi, Lahore, Mexico City and the other cities are suffering from this disease, this problem. And inverse, that is the toxic for human, very much toxic. This is the photochemical smog, and that's why your answer is wrong. Here the London disaster is one type of summer smog, not, it is the photochemical smog. That's why this will be the false. Got it? It is not the summer smog, it is the photochemical smog. Summer smog is coming from here. Clear? Yes. Now, so photochemical smog we did. These are the cause. I am not going to detail. So Delhi smog in winter, you can see these are the problem happening in winter. Now go for this. The agriculture region, groundwater can have the sufficient concentration with which pollutant? Which is the pollutant here? Which pollutant? Agriculture region, groundwater. What will be the answer? That is nitrate. Main particle is coming nitrate, because here lots of fertilizer, it is coming from the different fertilizer. Pollutant in agriculture greatly affected from the lake, water bodies, river, groundwater. Pollutant coming from the different types of sediment, nitrate, pathogenogen, pesticides, metal, salt, animal agriculture as outside the impact of the pollutant on environment, and that is nitrate only, because we are using so many pesticides and fertilizer. That is the reason. The pollutant urban area, which of the following consists of the photochemical smog? Just now we did the question from photochemical smog. This is the question. Photochemical smog has least concentration. We read the question very carefully. Has least concentration part per billion volume. Which one is the least one? Not more, least. Concentrate the question very carefully. Least concentration. What will be the answer? Yes, that is ozone. Other than that, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrocarbons was there, but ozone is the not the part that is the least concentration, and answer will be this one. Okay. Yes, now do the assertion and reason. Assertion reason is also important, because they are asking any question like assertion reason. So you can see here, chromium and iron contaminants is found in water waste in some industries. High dose of chlorium and iron can cause toxic effect in human body. Assertion reason. What will be the answer? Yes, so B is the correct answer. See that here it is very important. Don't do it one, because I told that ask yourself why. You are not getting the answer of why. Those who are doing one, remember that is the thing. Assertion is true, reason is true. That does not mean it is the correct assertion. It is the correct explanation. Chromium and iron is there in water bodies. Yes, that is true. But are you getting the answer why? It is another statement that it is affecting the human body. Why the chromium and iron is coming? From where the chromium and iron is coming? Are you getting the answer in the reason? There is no answer in the reason that from where it is coming, how it is coming, why it is coming. That is not there. And that's why assertion, reason both are true. But it is not the correct explanation of assertion. Very carefully understand, assertion reason is a very important area from where students are doing mistake. Always ask yourself, am I getting the answer? Why, how, when? Am I getting it? No, I am not getting any answer. This is a totally separate statement. It is not satisfying this assertion. And that's why it is not the correct explanation. Always remember. Nowadays assertion reason question in paper 1 also, paper 2 also, everywhere, because it is a trap. You will be able to identify it is true or false, but you will be not able to identify that it is a correct explanation or not. That's why always remember, ask yourself. Whatever is given in assertion, ask yourself why. Am I getting the answer why? Why or where? when, how, means WH question. Ask that WH question. Am I getting a supportive document in reason? If I am getting the supportive document, then only it is correct explanation, otherwise not. Remember it, it is the trap of the examiner. Don't fall into the trap. Got it? Now do this one. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now do this one. So if it is clear, those who did not like, please click on like. Okay, I did not get till now 50 like. At least you can click on the like button. At least, yes, now I can see 50 like. Yes, now do this one. Climate change involve the factor both internal and external. External one include what? What are the internal factor? What are the external factor of climate change? What will be the answer? Answer. Okay, answers are coming. Answer will be, see that. What are external? It is not internal into the earth. External. Solar vulnerability. This is our earth and here is solar. So solar is a external source or not? Sun is the external source. So that's why solar is this. Now the feedback between atmosphere and the ocean. Ocean too there in the surface of the earth only. Ocean is the surface on the earth only, right? Earth orbit alteration means here is sun and it is the orbit where earth is moving. So this earth orbit alteration is the effect, because it is just like a ellipse size, right? So that is a effect and it is a external effect. Vulnerability and the volcanic activity. Actually volcanic activity is, although it is internal, but it is coming. Whenever it will come, we don't know. And that's why, and you can eliminate. After elimination, the variability within the climate system, it is not the external or internal any factor. So just eliminate. After elimination only this option is left. So that's why after elimination we can do this one. But volcanic eruption, volcanic, for that definitely there is a confusion, because volcanic activity is going on internally only, but we cannot handle it. It can be any time, we cannot handle it, right? That's why sometimes some option are little bit confusing. For that you can go for the most preferable option, and which one is most preferable, go for that only. Okay, because other options are not that much preferable, so we will go for it. At least B, C to have to be there. B and C have to be there. So here is only B, C and A cannot be there. So that's why we are choosing this one. Okay. See that feedback between atmosphere, ocean and land surface, is it actually affecting our climate? Or volcanic is actually affecting climate? Which one is more priority? A is the more priority or E is the more priority? Set the priority also. Which one is the more priority? Priority is the volcanic is the more priority, because volcanic activity will change the climate. It will be too hot at that area. At that area it will be too hot, right? Yes or no? So that's why we will choose the volcanic one. Which one is really focusing on the climate change? Solar vulnerability, earth orbit, that is the two different, very important. Now out of A and E, which one is more preferable? E is more preferable. That's why we will choose this one, and that's why we will eliminate A. Got it? Sometimes this type of confusion will come to your mind, and then set the priority. Which one is the high priority? Which one is more? So that will I will choose. Got it? In that way attempt the question, because some confusion will be there. Sometimes some confusions are coming. We have to overcome from the confusion. Now see that waste component of the waste categorized as trash consists of what? What will be the answer? Yes, answers are coming here. Categorize as trash. What are the categorized as trash? The answer will be paper, cardboard and cartoons, and the vegetable and the wood. These are the trash. Because why? Animal waste can be recycled, vegetable waste can be recycled, industrial process waste can be recycled, because these are we can utilize again. These are the things what we can utilize again. But paper, cardboard, cartoon, woods, these are we cannot utilize again. That's why these are the waste is categorized as trash. Okay, got it? That's why the answer will be paper, cardboard, cartoon and wood. So answer will be this one. Okay, now go for this one. Point surface of the water pollution. What is the point surface of water pollution? In recycle bin, whenever you are putting in recycle bin, then there are the different recycle bin, right? So which one you cannot recycle, that is we are throwing into the trash, and that's why it will be the trash. Yes, so here your answer will be water pollutant. Point sources of water pollutant main are underground coal mine. Next one, round off from the fill sewage treatment plant, and here also we can go for elimination. See that here also we have to go for elimination. Sewage treatment plant, runoff from the roads and the construction sites, and power plant. Most important is power plant is always affecting the water. Power plant is always affecting the water, so that is most important, and you can see E is everywhere. Now the next important one you have to find out. The next important one is that the sewage treatment. So sewage treatment plant is also polluting the water, because from the sewage whatever the waste material is coming, that is going to again water. So that's why it is also polluting the plant. So C and E have to be there. Here is CE, here is CE, here is CE. Everywhere to CE there. Now which one I will choose? Which one is more good? Underground coal mine. Underground coal mine, where the coal mine is there, it is affecting the ground level water. It is affecting the ground level water also, and that's why the underground coal mine is, we are choosing this one more, so that's why we will choose this one. Okay. And now ma'am, why that D is not the answer? Runoff from the road and the construction site, there will be little bit dust, there will be that much means the dust will be there, but that much water will be, how much water will come from the road and construction, rather than that coal mine is more dangerous. So that's why we are choosing this one. Okay, and your answer will be this one. So some confusion are there, you have to come out from the confusion like this way, how to eliminate. And that's why we are doing the question, that's why you are doing the question. From the question when you are doing, then same question if came, you can repeat it. Now do this one, do this one. It is so very easy, this one is very easy. Yes, this is so very easy. With the toxic only you can do the answer, because it is cause the dangerous effect, that is the cause toxic. But not only do the toxic, definitely go through the intangible also, coercive also, reactive also, because this question you are able to do with the toxic. But other terminologies are also important, definitely write down the other terminologies also. What is intangible? Intangible means able to sustain combustion, that is intangible. What is coercive? Coercive means destroy the container. And what is reactive? Reactive is actually very unstable. So write down these also, because next time question maybe toxic is not there, so how we will mark? That's why other important parts also write it down, note it down, remember it, so any other question if came you can do it. Now see that how high value of this good quality water. Answer, what will be the answer? Yes, answers are coming. That is, see that which one is more good? That is dissolves oxygen. High value means what is good? That is, if the dissolved oxygen is there, so it is measuring that it is good. High value of which following parameter indicate the good quality water? So dissolved oxygen, when in the water dissolved oxygen are there, that is more good. That's why answer will be this one. Okay. Now see that oxidative stress is an imbalance between what? So from here you can understand the concept of what is this. Do it. Oxidative stress is a phenomena caused by imbalance between production and accumulation of oxygen reactive species in the cell tissue and ability of biological system to detoxify this reactive product, that is called oxidative stress. Okay, so oxidative stress is the phenomena that is correct. This is the correct one. Oxidative stress is the imbalance between accumulation and the oxygen reactive substance and ability to the body to destroy them. This is correct one. Oxidative stress significantly lower by presence of oxidant. That is wrong. It is oxygen. Oxidative stress is between production and accumulation of oxygen. Production and accumulation is their reactive species, as there are reactive species in the cell tissue. So ability of biological system to detoxify this reactive product. It is not able to detoxify the reactive product. That is called oxidative stress. And that's why this one is wrong. Got it? That is called oxidative stress. Write it down. If you search on Google also oxidative stress, you are getting this line, and that is called oxidative stress. So this is the way from PYQs how you need to prepare, and that's why I came with the PYQs, so that you can also prepare yourself. So what is gasohol? What is gasohol? Just remember the point and go for the exam, so that ultimately your answer will be done. So gasohol, what is gasohol? Gasohol is mixture of gasoline and ethanol. Gasoline and ethanol. Here is the disaster management cycle. We learned the disaster management, and here is the question on disaster management. This is prevention, preparedness, recovery, response, land use planning, rescue, risk management, and construction. I told that the matching type question are coming. This is the question on disaster management. Do this one. It is a one request to everyone, those who are watching now. Tomorrow is your exam, or whenever your exam it is. So computer science is tomorrow. Other candidate, those who are watching, it is a request, after coming back from exam, definitely comment in this video. Come to this video and comment in this video. Did you get some question from here or not? What are the question came from this video? I know that you will get sure question from this video. So definitely write down. Please take your, it will take maybe 5-minute time. So that 5-minute time please invest, and please comment here. Okay. Everyone come from the exam hall, and whatever marathon classes are going on, other exams are going, other classes are going on, go to that video and please comment, yes, I got this. That will help me. Okay, students got it. Because I will be not able to comment, right? I will be not able to call you. So you can comment, I can read your comment. So your answer will be prevention. Prevention means that is the risk assessment. If you are assessing risk, then it can be prevent. Now preparedness. Preparedness means land use planning. Recovery. So how to recover? Recover means construction. So construction is recovery. Response is the rescue. So this will be the answer. Now here do this one. The decibel level, loudness different at the different frequent audible range. The human ear has differentiate frequency response. This is the assertion and reason. Do this one. Which one will be the correct? Easy one. What will be the answer? Yes, one is the correct answer, because here as correct explanation you can see here, this is the audible range. If you are asking why, because the human ear has the different frequency response, you are getting the perfect answer of why from here, and that's why it is the correct explanation of assertion, right? Both are true and a reason is relevant to assertion. That's why it is the correct explanation. The reason is relevant to assertion, right? It is not the two different statement, and that's why it will be the correct explanation. Now, according to the Sustainable Development Report 2020, the top rank country basis on SDG index. Which one is the top rank country? Thank you, Manisha. If my effort is giving some value to your marks, that will be my pleasure. Just I want that it should add some marks to your score. That is, yes, the Sweden is the correct answer. Correct answer is Sweden. Which of the following waterborne disease does not require direct contact of water but a host to spread? This is we learn in our childhood. In our childhood we learn it. Which one will be the answer? Which one is the answer? Yes, so it is malaria, because malaria mosquito are there and they are biting. After the mosquito bite only it will be malaria. So biogas has the calorific value about what? Just in between some different question came by chance. Okay, do it, some random question these are, so maybe you can get the question. Biogas has the calorific value of about, you give hint. Acha, do this one. Yes, so answer is actually 5000 kcal. Okay, so do this one. The mission of National Plan on Climate Change. See that, see here this question, see that this question was there. Okay, this is a very different type of question. The options was there in the other question also. Now choose the correct answer of the option given well below. 40%, 50%, 30% and 55%. So how to do it? See that. It's a very different types of question. How to do this? How to do this? Same question, you see that how they can change. Same question, just they change in different way, and now they are asking answer. Yes. So what will be the percentage? What do you think? Because Western Ghat was not there. Western Ghat is not there. And the National Water Mission, so National Solar Mission was there, Green Mission was there, and this was also there. So air pollution was also not there, I am telling you. So how many options are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Out of 5 option, how many options are correct? Out of 5 option, how many options are correct? Out of 5, how many options are correct? How many options are correct out of 5? Tell me, out of 5, how many options are correct here? In that way, you have to do the percentage. How many options are correct here? 3 options are correct here. So 3 by 5 means what? Actually 2.5 by 5 is 50%. Right, this is 50%. But here you are getting 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 means what I can do? 3 by 5 means, is it 50 or 55? Which one will be correct? See that 3 by 5 multiply into 100, if you are doing, that will be actually 20. So it is actually coming 60%. Is it or not? It is actually coming 60%, but you are not getting that 60. So what option we should choose? We should choose this one, 55. Clear? Very interesting, right? Very interesting, right? Choose the correct option given below. As per that, what percentage? So if the percentage question came, option already we did another question. In that way we can choose, right? What will be the percentage? Yes, in that way we can do it. Clear? Okay. Now chalo. So don't be confused. This way also they can ask you question. Don't be confused. Just do it and do the answer. Now do this. Convention on Biodiversity was signed during. Convention on Biodiversity was signed during where? When? When it was signed? Yes, that is the Art Summit on 1992. Rio Summit or Art Summit. It is Rio Summit or Art Summit. Now see that aerobic digestions, sewage, sludge require lots of energy. Aerodigestions of sewage sludge produce the huge amount of methane. Which one is correct? So your answer will be statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Why? Why it is? Because aerobic digestion is a microbial process. This is a microbial process which occur when availability of the oxygen, with the availability of the oxygen. Organic material is oxidized, because organic material when it is oxidized, that is called aerobic, means the your your some material you are placing and it's oxidized because of oxygen. So oxidized under the aerobic condition, and the product like nitrate, phosphate and the carbon dioxide are produced. Such result, what are producing? Carbon dioxide, nitrate and phosphate. These are nitrate, phosphate and carbon dioxide is producing this type of result, and that's why here it is given methane, and that is the wrong answer. Got it? Okay, so it is a process which is occur within the availability of oxygen have to be there, and it is the within the organic material oxidized. They are oxidized under the aerobic condition, and the product, what are their product like nitrate, phosphate and carbon dioxide are produced. That's why methane will be the wrong answer. Got it? Yes, remember that, and whatever I told you can write it down. You can write it down. That's why I told this is wrong. Statement 2 is false because it is not methane. Clear? Clear? Yes. Is it clear? Chalo. Now do this one. When the class will be end, I can end. How many questions are there? Achha, do it quickly. Do this one quickly. That much question is not there. I will end that. Within 8 only I will end. I have to 2 hours is done, right? Okay, no problem. I will end it. 2 hours is going on. I will end. Do it. Do it. After that I will end. I will end. Yes. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be ground level concentration of ozone decrease at night, ultraviolet radiation, photolysis and the ozone other component. So assertion reason both are true. Again both are true, but it is not the correct explanation of assertion. This is not the correct explanation of assertion because it is telling about the ground level concentration and it is ultraviolet ray, photolysis is ozone other component. So it's not the correct explanation, and that's why it will be the not the correct explanation. Okay. Yes, I will end with this Millennium Development Goal. As we start with the Millennium and Sustainable Development Goal, I will end with this question only. So do that question. After that I will end the session. Target Goal 7 of Millennium Development Goal. What is that? It is the last question for today. I will end the session. I hope how much question we did, you can get some question from here. Do this one. And I am telling you, those who are watching, for you some very important points, how to attempt the exam hall, how to attempt the question in exam hall, what to do in exam hall, what not to do in exam hall. Very very important. Only 5 minutes more stay here. So answer will be B, C and E. 3 is the correct answer. B, C and E is the correct answer, because under the goal of 7, the control of global warming, that was not there. Modern energy, this is related to the modern energy. Increase of global percentage of renewable energy and mitigation of air pollution. Mitigation of air pollution is not there. No, mitigation of air pollution is not there. It is not there. Improvement of energy, because it is focusing of clean energy, right? It is focusing on clean energy. Goal number 7 was what? Clean energy. Clean energy. So clean energy means that are related to all energy, renewable energy, modern energy. That's why answer will be this one. Indirectly this way question are coming. So you have to attempt indirect question in that way. So that's why number, what are there in which number? Definitely remember, and whenever you are going to start your exam, at the starting only you need to do something. That is I am going to tell you. So see that. First of all, go early to exam center, that is so definitely. Go early to exam center, that is definitely. And enter to the exam center in a normal way, whatever. Don't take rush, no tension. Without any tension, without any rush, no tension, no rush. Okay, please avoid it. Must avoid it. Next thing is that whenever they are providing the rough sheet, right, they are providing some sheets and pen. Normally they are not allowing to carry the pen also. So whenever exam is going to start, means they start the exam, at that time only try to write down this goal number with that, because later you will forget. These are the Millennium Development Goal, these are the goal number, and these are main points, and these are the Sustainable Development Goal, these are the main point. Like this way, write it down in the rough sheet, because in exam pressure maybe you forgot, then what you will do? So at the starting only write it down. Not only Millennium Development Goal, Sustainable Development Goal, whatever points in paper 1 and paper 2, chance is there that you may forgot. Because within 3 hours stress, high chances you may forgot. Whatever like this thing are there, try to note it down. Maybe it will take your 5-minute time, but this 5-minute time will be very much valuable for you. Paper 1, paper 2. And coding, decoding 1 to 26 means A, B, C, D, like this way. Write down it 1 to this one, 1 to Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way. Some charts of logical reasoning, mood, and the square of oppositions, some charts are there, write down that also. So whatever you think that yes, these are always coming, you know that these are the topic question always coming, write down it. Okay, Mumtaz, don't worry, don't worry. Till now I am telling you, try to convince. Till now, for me, I always believe till the last moment the fighter are fighting till the last moment, and you are the real fighter. You are the real fighter, Mumtaz. I will suggest you anyhow, with your love or with your angriness or with some different way, anyway, try to convince your family member and try to go. And really I am always praying the God that so that you can go. So please try to convince them. The last chance today night, try to go for the last chance. And I already told I am here to help you. Please don't worry. Please try, last try. एक बार try तो हो जाए, last try. Yes. So now, hi ma'am, came here to, yes, I always, my full of blessing, prayer, I am always praying for all of you, everyone, because I know that you all are very much good student, you all are very much serious students, you are doing well from a long time. So that's why when you will be exam hall, always remember that with you all, everyone, there is Priyanka ma'am. Whenever you are not able to do something, you are feeling stressed, just close your eyes, think that yes, ma'am is here, ma'am is doing the question on behalf of me. Just cool down yourself. I will be there with all of you. Inside you, I am there. Always believe that. Inside you, I am there. So always believe that and just close your eyes. Yes, ma'am is taking the class. Ma'am is telling the answer. So yes, this is the answer. Like this way, think it. Okay, you will crack it. Don't worry. No tension. Third thing is that whenever you are starting, don't go for that I have to do question 1 to this. I have to do. Know that. So what to do? Yes, what to do, you have to remember that maybe first 1 to 10 question are difficult question. Maybe you don't know that. Don't panic. Just keep the question and your target should to find out the easy question. That is your target. Remember always there are total 150 question. Out of the 150 question, 100 question will be definitely easy. I am telling you surely. If maximum 50 questions are difficult, I am telling worst case, 50 questions are difficult, 100 questions will be always easy. Always easy. Remember that. So these 100 questions, it is your target. I have to find out that 100 question. First question I am not able to get. No problem. Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Skip it. Go for that question, whatever easy for you. And whenever you are skipping, don't do the blank skip. Please don't do it. Make it blank. I did not mark. Definitely mark anything. Mark and then go for the next. Don't leave it blank. There is no negative marking. So 150 question you have to mark. Try to do some elimination also. Maybe out of 4 options you are able to eliminate 2 options. Now out of them 2, any one of these the answer. So your chance increase to 50%. So whatever unknown to you, try to eliminate. By elimination, try to attempt it. And if it is totally unknown, for the totally unknown question, do it. Choose any specific lucky number. Whatever your specific lucky number. As me, my lucky number always I am doing B. So whatever unknown, totally unknown, you don't know, all that question mark in a particular lucky number. Don't do it randomly. One question I mark in A, another question I mark B, another question I mark C. No. These are totally unknown. It is totally unknown means a particular one. A particular one, mark it. It can be B, it can be A, it can be C. Whatever your lucky number, mark on that specific one. Always remember. Because here your chance will increase to get the marks. Now the next thing is that, yes, always divide the total 3 hours. There are total 3 hours, right? In these 3 hours, divide it like 2 hours plus 1 hour. First 2 hours you will invest to collect the marks. Don't think that I will do the paper 1 first, after that paper 2. No. Within these 2 hours, how many questions you are able to do in paper 1, paper 2, complete it. All the time taking question like that, math, DI, reading comprehension, and other than that in your paper 2 some question are time taking. So whatever time taking question, do it later. Before, within these 2 hours, complete all the easy, quickly solvable question in paper 1, paper 2. So that your score is in your hand. You got the good score here. Now, whatever question, because you are going one by one, there are 2 things. You see the question, ask yourself, I know this. Yes, if I know this, how much time it will take to solve? If it is taking 30 seconds to 2 minute time, you know that, you do it. Do it, then go for the next. If it is totally unknown, I don't know, it is totally unknown to me, then what to do? Mark as per the lucky number and go for the next. Don't waste 1 second time also. Mark a lucky number and go for the next. If it is like that, I know this topic, but it will take some time. More than 2 minute time it will take. Okay. So if it is taking more than 2 minute time, then what to do? Mark for review. Do it the mark for review and go for the next. This is very, very important. Mark for review, but mark something. Don't leave it blank. Mark a option for now and do it mark for review, then go for the next. So that after 2 hours, whenever you are coming back, within 2 hours, there are lots of green color. You will see that. Your plate will be looking like this way. There will be lots of green color. Yes, these are the all green color. I did it. And out of them, Some topic will show that like different color, like purple color. These are showing some purple color. Okay, there should not be any red color. If you see someone are red, red means you did not mark it. Don't do that. Everyone have to be marked. Then what to do? Then click on this purple color directly and do that question whatever you mark for review. Do those questions whatever you mark for review, and then come back. In that way, if you are performing, if you are managing your time in exam hall, then you can get your maximum score. There is a mistake mainly students are doing. They are not able to manage time properly. Time management is very important for your exam hall. So manage your time properly. Okay, don't do any panic. I am not able to solve question, what to do, you are wasting time, I have to solve. No, other questions are there, try to do that. Don't waste time for a specific question. Okay, so these are the things. Remember and hope for the best. You will do it in each and another thing. 90 to 95 number question and 96 to 100 number question in paper 2 must check it after 1 hour. Whenever your 1 hour is done, must check that what is there in 95 to 90 to 95 and 96 to 100, because normally they are giving the comprehension type question here and normally students are not getting time here. Must check there ki what is there and do it. If it is known to you, here it is a good score, you will get the 20 marks. Don't miss this 20 marks. Normally these questions are coming easy, and if you are putting your effort, you can do it. So that's why don't leave it for the last moment. Check it after 1 hour, do it, solve it and come back. Okay, and each and every question try to save time. Saving time is very important. Try to save time in each and every question. If you are not saving time properly, then you will be not able to get marks. Every 1 second is important. Don't do delay, don't do lagging anywhere. From the starting only go with a normal proper speed. Starting I am very lazy, very slowly I am doing, after that I am doing faster. No. From starting only go for a moderate speed, so that throughout the exam you are doing moderate. Last 10 minutes left. When there are last 10 minutes left, what to do? Last 5 minutes left, last 2 minutes left. Normally students are being in the last moment, they are marking just without checking the question, they are marking anyhow. Don't do that. Till last moment also, with cool mind, fight it. Your target will be in this last 10 minutes also. If I am solving 5 questions, that 5 questions will be also correct. Don't do it like that. In last 10 minutes I am doing randomly 30 questions, I mark it, I did not read it and I come back. No. Last 10 minutes also I have to do in that way, so that I can collect at least 5 questions. That is very important. Don't do that. Randomly I am marking and I am coming. Okay. These are the very important things what I am telling you now. Must remember this and do your best. If you are following this, you will do your best. After coming back from exam, definitely let me know how was your exam. My WhatsApp number is 8697365460. I will wait for your message. I don't know your number, but you know my number. So I am giving my number. Please WhatsApp me how was your exam and send me that yes, these are the question came, because your input will help me to analyze and do the analysis. I have to do the exam analysis and you can help me here. You are going to exam center, I am not going. You are going to exam center. All of you must please, it is a request to everyone, don't forget me. Till today I am supporting you. Till the last moment I will support you. After coming back from the exam, then and there please write down, because later you will forget. Then and there please write down in a sheet. Carry a extra sheet for me. Whenever coming your after submission of your paper in the exam center, only write down that these are the question asked. Take a photo and send me. Please, it is a request to everyone. Try to remember some question, topic, what they asked. Write down in a paper then and there and send me. When you will travel, you will forget. You will forget. So please don't do that. Okay? Chalo. Hope for the best. Good night. Sleep well. Don't take stress. Within 9 p.m. go to bed. Sleep well. Do your best. Bye bye. Chalo.